Ever wonder, with all the available QR code solutions, which is the right solution for your business? Priorities change as businesses evolve. And when you reach that new milestone of scaling up into a mid-sized firm, you might emphasize certain aspects of a particular solution now more than you've ever had. If you are a mid-sized business looking for a QR code generator that fulfills all your requirements and more, this video is meant for you. We'll discuss the features you should take into consideration while choosing the right QR code generator, and hopefully help you make the decision super quick. For a newly minted, mid-sized business, feature priorities would definitely differ from that of a large enterprise. You might be looking for features that help you with quality marketing analysis and brand recognition. At a stage where your business is progressing rapidly, it only makes sense to opt for a QR code solution with top-notch marketing analytics and superior design capabilities that helps increase your brand's visual impact. You don't have to look any further. With a QR code generator like BeaconStack, you get everything you need for your business on a single platform. The foremost is QR code tracking and analysis. Regardless of the size of your business, there's just so much QR code analytics can do to help your business improve marketing performance. With analytics, you can make better decisions, optimizing what works and cutting out what doesn't. As you know, QR codes might as well be your print material CTA buttons, so it makes sense for you to track them. When it comes to QR code analytics and metrics, BeaconStack does take the spotlight. Many QR code generators offer analytics and integrations, but BeaconStack provides real-time scan data that can be used to integrate your marketing campaigns. With BeaconStack's trackable dynamic QR codes, you can get in-depth analytics data such as 1. The exact time of the day. You can track the exact time of the scan to the minute. Comprehensive time frame reports will help you integrate your marketing campaigns better with regard to your target audience and the patterns. Say you are experimenting with the most optimal time of the day to run your flash sale. Based on the number of scans by the time of the day, you can conclude the time period most suitable for your QR code campaign, so you can garner the maximum number of scans. Pinpoint location. If you are running your QR code campaign across multiple locations, you can determine locations driving the highest and lowest number of scans. Based on this analysis, you can double down on the better performing location and discontinue or optimize your QR code campaign at the underperforming location. Not only that, BeaconStack even provides you with a heat map for the scans of your QR code by the city for easy understanding and analysis. You can also pinpoint the GPS location of the QR code scan to understand if the placement of the deployed QR code is working in your favor. Know your QR performance. This is an important feature that you get only with BeaconStack. You can track your top performing QR code with the number of scans your QR has received. You can run an analysis on your top performing QR code and the number of unique visitors to integrate your campaign better. You can also gain more insights, such as scans by device used, which can be helpful to optimize your campaigns further. In addition to this, you can also integrate Google Analytics with BeaconStack to gain more information about your end user and get more information such as age, gender, and other user interests. We don't want to toot our own horns, but that amount of data can change the way you look at your marketing campaigns. To know how to create and integrate your QR code with BeaconStack, check out our detailed video on QR code tracking and analysis. The link is in the description below. Brand identity is important in creating brand recall and awareness for a growing business. The era of black and white QR codes is over. QR codes today are versatile, can be designed in several ways without losing their scannability and yet look pleasing. If you are creating a QR code for your company, you'll want to make sure that the design reflects what the company stands for. Consumers can easily tell the difference between spammy-looking QR codes and those that exude brand identity. The former sees low engagements while the latter gets a 70% boost. To create a QR code that represents your brand, you will need extensive customization tools. Most QR code solutions offer some form of customization. However, only a few provide comprehensive tweaks that can truly assist in transforming plain-looking codes into something eye-catching and scan-worthy. When creating a design that suits branding, we know it's all in the details. BeaconStack goes above and beyond with added features like custom QR eyes, logo, pattern with gradient options, frames, templates, background color, and custom QR code size. Along with this, you also get the choice of choosing the shape of your QR code. You can also add frame call to actions to your QR code for the audience to understand what to expect when they scan your QR. With BeaconStack, you can download your QR code in multiple formats, such as JPG, PNG, SVG, PDF, and EPS, according to your requirements. With BeaconStack's scannability feature, you can check the scannability of your QR code as you customize it. Aim for excellent scannability for a successful customized QR code. We also have a step-by-step, easy tutorial for making your own custom QR code and the best practices you should follow. Do check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. When it comes to a QR code generator to fit your growing business, BeaconStack is your best, and might I say, your only bet. Enjoy a seamless QR code experience for your company with BeaconStack. Just click on the link in the description to enjoy a 14-day free trial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for everything QR codes. That's it for today. Until next time.